Hello student, Unit Academy of Science, Class 10, Science, Chapter number 1. Chapter number 1, Chemical Reaction and Chemical Equation, which belongs to the part of the chemistry. As we all know, science, it is divided into 3 branches, which are the branches physics, chemistry and biology, in which we are study, or we can say that the science behind the living organisms, whereas physics, which deals with the machines and the study of the nature, whereas the chemistry, which is study of the atoms, molecules and the chemical reaction. Okay, so first chapter we can start chemical reaction and the chemical equation. Okay, so first we can take the introduction. What is chemistry? So in chemistry is defined as a that branch of science which deals with the compositions and the properties of matter, and it is also changes the matter undergoes the various interactions. Here a chemical compound. So here chemical compound is formed as a result of the chemical change, and in this process different types of energy such as heat, electrical energy, radiation are either absorbed or evolved. For example, if we can take the iron rod, and iron rod is put into the water. So after some days we can see that the iron rod is changed and its color is becomes brown. Okay, so we can say that this is the chemical changes. Okay, so this is the chemical changes, and here the compound is formed. So here the mix up of the water and the iron. Okay, so iron compound and the iron and the water compound are mixed up, and then make the new compound. Okay, so this is the chemical reaction. Now as we all know, in class 9th, in the chemical reaction or the any substance neither be created or cannot be destroyed, it is known as mass conservation law. So here in chemical reaction the total mass of the substance remains constant, or we can say that there is the no change in the mass. For example, if we can take the 10 gram 10 gram oxygen and 10 gram hydrogen, then mix up both together, then we can mix 10 gram oxygen and 10 gram hydrogen, then the water is from, we can say that then the water is total make that the 20 grams. So here the 10 gram of the oxygen and 10 gram of hydrogen, so they are total mix, or we can say that the total mass of this substance is 20 gram. So the total mass of the substance remains the same through the chemical change. Now what is chemical reaction or chemical action? So here when a chemical change occurs, a chemical action is said to have take place. A chemical change or chemical action is represented by the use of the chemical equation, and the matter undergoes going change is known as reactant. Means we can take the which are the matter which are to make a change, so we can say that the reactant, and a new chemical component is formed is known as product. Okay, so in the example of the hydrogen and oxygen, they are the reactant, whereas the water is from, so water is known as product. Now we can understand the chemical reaction and chemical equation by the use of the this following example. So example is, when we heat a sugar crystals, they melt, and the further we can give the heat, it's streamy and vapor generated, then leaving the behind the brownish black mass. Okay, now if we can give the cooling, then we cannot take the sugar crystal appears. Okay, for example, another, here we can take the water, and water we can give the heat, then it's converted into vapor. But if we can give the cooling to the water, then the water vapor is again generated liquid state water. So this is no chemical change. But here we can say that the sugar is melted and it's generated vapor. After the some time it becomes brownish black, and if we can give the cooling, then it cannot take the sugar. Okay, so this is the example of the chemical change. For example, we can take the sugar and give the heat, then the brownish sugar is generated. But if we can give the again the cooling process, the white sugar is not generated. So this is known as chemical change. We cannot, here the chemical change, it is not a reversible. So and the process which bring out the chemical change is known as chemical reaction. Now in this reaction we can use the white sugar and heat. So here in this reaction, the substance which are taking part in bringing about the chemical changes, here white sugar we can use, and the heat energy we can use. So heat energy and the white sugar is known as reactants, whereas the brownish sugar is generated. So brownish sugar is known as, we can say that the product. So what is the definition? The substance which are produced as a result of chemical change are called as product. Now the reaction involves, here we can breaking or making of chemical bond. Here the products or reactions is or are new substance with new names and the chemical formula. So it is often or difficult or impossible to reverse a chemical reaction. Here we can say that it is difficult process to generate brownish black sugar to the white sugar. It is difficult, and we can say that it is impossible. So this is known as chemical reaction. Another example, if we can take the milk and make the curd, after the curd we cannot take the again milk. Okay, so this is known as also chemical reaction, and it is difficult. If we can take the sand and the clay, they are mixed up, then after we can we can take the sand and clay without it contact. Okay, so it is the often too difficult or impossible to reverse a chemical reaction. Here the properties of the product from during a chemical reaction are different from those reactants. Apart from heat or other form of energy, are light or electricity, which are also used in carrying out the chemical changes. So this is the first introduction of the chemical reaction and the chemical equation. You can like and subscribe this my video lecture. Okay, and again another further video lecture also I put. Okay, so you can subscribe and like this video lecture, and if any doubt or any question, then the comment into the YouTube video lecture channel. Okay, thank you. And homework is today is, you can start the 1 to 20 elements name and atoms and its valency, because This all R valency is requirement into the in this chapter in another topic. Okay, so you can start the 1 to 20 elements number and its electronic configuration and its valency. Thank you.